All right, so we've got this single car capsule. This is a supercar version, model number CCSH18 SC1. So we're going to show you guys how easy these are to set up for your home garage to keep your Lamborghini or your Ferrari or your Porsche or your Tesla inside. So let's get this done. All right, so this is the 18-foot model, as I suspected. So this is $4,295, free shipping. There's a 16-foot version that is $4,195, and they both come with a 1-year warranty. Okay, so this is how it ships. The actual car capsule comes in this box. Obviously, I've taken it out and I kind of opened it up just to see which direction it needed to go. So that would normally come in this box. Then all the other parts and pieces for it come in a separate box. So you have a trickle charger that goes in it. That's this. There is the pump that keeps it inflated. And I will mention that pump has an automatic inflator. So if it senses the pressure drop, it actually pumps more air in. So that's all automated. Comes with a filter fan, and an LED light kit. So I guess next thing is we'll unroll this thing, hook up the pump, and get it inflated. All right, so now we just have to hook up the pump there, get my cord. Okay, so now we have to find our pump. That is going to be this box. All right, so let's get it pumped up. So this goes on here. That goes in there. Both are twist lock. And then shouldn't take very long, 3 or 4 minutes maybe. So this end is the end you blow it up with, and when you want to deflate it for any reason, you put it on this end, it sucks it down. So that's it. So what you heard it doing is it was sensing the pressure as it was inflating. That's what was going on and off, because it's checking the inflation pressure. So now that's fully inflated. So it'll monitor the pressure, make sure it stays firm like this. If it senses it go down, it automatically comes on. So these are your doors for getting in and out of your car. So if you want to park your car inside, open your door and get out, that's what these are for. And then your entry door is actually on this end. All right, so it's set up. It was that easy. So you have 59 inches height here that you can park most any car in. I would think maybe SUVs won't fit, but any supercar, sports car will fit in here, no problem. You can back in because you can open that door to get your door open to get out, or you can go in, well, that would be forward. If you're pulling in, it'd be that door. If you're back in, you'd use that door to get in. So the other thing it comes with is an LED light kit that you can put in here to illuminate your car when it's parked in here. So that comes in that box. The other thing to mention is it has a filtration kit. So on that end, there's a hole right there. There's a filter kit. We can actually unbox and show what it looks like. So there's a recirculating filter that keeps the car, the air in here filtered, dust-free. So we mentioned that it comes with a trickle charger. So here's the filter itself. I'll show you where that goes. So there's the filter. And then there's a little fan that comes with it that cycles the air. So that's this. Okay, then it has there's a plug as well that's used to power this. That's right here. So there's a little transformer plug, low voltage plug. And the LED light kit is in that bigger box down there. So where the light kit goes, I am not 100%. I think it goes on the floor. So you drive over it and it underglows your car. The other thing to mention too, no metal parts on this thing at all. So you don't have to worry about if something were to happen. Like let's say your house lost power and it deflated. It's not gonna hurt your car. It's gonna, if it were to deflate, it would gently deflate onto your car. There's no metal rods or bars or anything in here to scratch your car. The filter goes right here in this round hole. So this is where that goes. And then it just cycles the air through and keeps it nice and clean. So I think that's really it. I think the only thing left to do is show you how it deflates. So what we'll do is we'll disconnect this hose, put the hose on the other end, and that'll suck all the air out of the unit. So why don't we do that? So what you do is you take this off. This now goes on this end. Then you take this out. It'll start deflating on its own, but you want to suck the air out of it. Take this little rubber check valve out. And then you put this back in. And it'll actually suck all the air out of it. All right, so it's fully deflated. So now we can disconnect this snorkel hose. You can put this cap in here if you want so it doesn't get lost. And then this little, I think it's actually made of silicone. So this can go back in like that. And I assume you could probably just take it and flip it the other way. So when it's deflating, the check valve works in the opposite direction. But I didn't bother doing that. So now it's just ready to fold up. That's it. Done. So I would say it would need to fit in a trunk or something, or you just store it like this. Put some, straps around it, cinch it tight. If you want to keep your car perfectly clean in your own garage, construction in the house, you want to keep your car perfect, you get one of these.